Hey Hans, it's Kholiswa M. Welcome to another wash routine video. I'll be using the Tresseme Color Revitalize products and the Keratin Smooth 5 Benefits One System. If you are new to this channel, you know the right thing to do. Subscribe. So this is just an updated wig wash video because I have a wig wash video, just that the quality is bad. However, I won't really delete it. I just wanted to have a nicer wig wash video, and I'll be using a client wig. I like to detangle the hair before washing it. It makes the washing very easy, and then after detangling I like to actually give it some moisture by just making it wet so that the shampoo can just flow through the hair. I like when the hair is dry, the shampoo won't really flow through the hair. Then I apply my shampoo. I just apply it all over the hair. The trick is you must just wash your hair in one direction so that it does not get messy. And don't be stingy with your shampoo, because it's what makes the hair clean. Conditioner just give it moisture and make it more silky. The shampoo removes all the dead. And I also like to concentrate on the closure part because it accumulates a lot of dirt, and sometimes it tangles. It depends on the hair quality. And I like to use a detangling brush just to scrub off all the dirt, because sometimes people apply makeup on the closure. I don't know if you've noticed, but makeup on the closure looks ugly over time. Hence, it's important to wash your wigs maybe after a month, after 2 months. It depends on how often you wear that wig. So if you wear it for a month, month end, you must just wash that wig. And I like to detangle the hair with my hands before using the detangling brush, because a detangling brush does detangle and you will lose a lot of hair. So try to detangle with your hands first before going in with the detangling brush. So I'll just keep on detangling and then rinse off the shampoo and maybe go with it again. It depends on how dirty the hair is, but it's always good to make sure that the hair is thoroughly clean when washing it, because there's no point on doing shortcuts, guys. Just if it's wash day, wash it and make sure it's 100% clean. So now I'm going with my conditioner. I also like to concentrate the conditioner on the closure part, because the closure part does tangle, guys, and it's actually what makes the hair more nicer. So make sure your closure is conditioned thoroughly, and also the hair, the actual bundles, make sure they are conditioned. But then you don't necessarily need to use a lot of conditioner if you are going to use a mask. So I'm gonna use a mask. I'm not gonna use a lot of conditioner. If you look in the sink, I don't know if you can see that the hair now looks like, I don't know, can I say smooth? Do you see what I'm talking about? It looks like that. That's what conditioner does. It makes the hair a little bit lightweight, and it also hydrates the hair, hence the hair looks the way it looks. I don't know what's the correct way to say. Let's just stick to smooth. Now, before I apply the mask, I just detangle the hair just to make sure that the hair is tangle free, because I'm gonna leave the mask overnight and then I'm gonna rinse it off the next day and then air dry the hair. So after a day, you rinse off the mask and air dry the hair before blow drying. It's important to blow dry your hair after air drying because it eliminates that bushiness. I think you've experienced that with your natural hair. Yeah, so blow drying will just make it more silky just before straightening. I know a lot of people don't like using the hair dryer, but it's important to use it just after air drying. Don't use it for too long, just a few minutes will do. And also this brush also works nicely, just that you shouldn't use it while your hair is wet because it's very harsh. It will actually break your hair. Just make sure you use when your hair is dry so that your hair doesn't break. So before I straighten the hair, I like to use the tresseme oil. It actually kind of like make it more silky, and I also use it as a heat protector because I never buy heat protectors. Like, why should I buy a heat protector when I have an oil? And I just straighten the hair. It's important to straighten the hair track by track, guys. So just start from the bottom and then come to the top so that all the tracks get like the heat. The heat makes the hair smooth, straight, and more nice, silky. So yeah, it's important to actually do it track by track. I'm almost done. I'm just gonna straighten the top part, the closure part. And when I straighten the closure part, you'll see just now, I like to remove it from the head and then just straighten it on its own, just to make sure that the closure is actually flat, because the closure is actually what makes the hair. So I always make sure that the closure is proper looking. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. And thanks for watching. Also keep those video suggestions coming. I really enjoy when you actually suggest videos. It's actually nicer to do something that I know you guys will watch than just doing something that I think you will watch. And also guys, there's a spray my hair supplier sent me. You will see it just now. It actually makes, you see those ends by the closure, it makes them sleep, and those ends at the bottom part of the hair, it's actually watery and it looks like a mixture of conditioner and water. I'm not sure of the ingredients because they didn't write the ingredients like on the out part of the container. So if you'd like me to send it to you, do DM me on my Instagram account at Kholiswa _M, or on my hair page, which is at beauty_blend_weaves. And yes guys, thanks for watching. Continue supporting my channel and see you in the next video.